So, if you guys remember, about a week ago, I told you guys the Clarity Algo was saying it's time to sell gold. We had a little sell indication come in right here. We got the crossover and we started to drop heavy. And then I told you guys if price breaks out of this channel, which it did right here, we would drop. And since then we have dropped even more, like literally a lot of pips. I'm gonna put it like that, a lot of pips. So between me and the Clarity Algo, I've already been telling you that we have been shorting gold. But I've also told you guys, okay, that just because overall on the higher time frame, such as the daily, we are bearish, that doesn't always mean you only take sells when you're scalping. I'm going to show you guys how I caught 100 pips today, still live right now, about to catch 150 pips. It's still a live trade, still moving. I'm going to go over it, and it was a buy. I'm going to show you guys why I took a buy, even though overall we are in a bearish market. I'm going to show you guys exactly why. Before I get into that, I do want to show you guys really quick, the Clarity Algo also called a strong buy on Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Literally that huge pump you guys saw the other day, it called it before I even would have called it because it didn't break my channel yet. And check it out, we broke out for just, I think it was like 15%. Just an unbelievable move, man. If you would have took that buy right here, it would have broke out for about 13%. That's unbelievable moves called by the Clarity Algo. Again, I saw it coming at this break, but it called it well before I did once again. So unbelievable stuff, man. This is dropping very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Give it a week or two. This will be live. You guys will be able to purchase it. And yeah, it's gonna be ridiculous. As of right now, we are running 100 pips. I do expect it to hit take profit 5 for 150 pips, a 1 to 7.5 risk to reward. Beautiful setup, beautiful trade. We're moving. I mean, we're gonna hit it any minute now. But I want to go over why I took this trade and kind of like why I took a buy, even though we're in a bearish market. So again, overall price action on the higher time frame is bearish, and again, it's also bearish on the smaller time frame until a certain point, right? So we are trending to the downside on the 5-minute chart, which is the only thing I trade, by the way, because we have lower lows, okay, followed by a lower high. Just cut through lower low, right? Lower high, okay, lower low. Oh, that's a Fibonacci tool. Lower low. Guess what? We did not catch a lower high after that. Instead, we created a new higher high. So now we're going higher high, right? Higher low. Okay, do you see what I'm saying? So market structure overall has changed. We're not going to the downside. Now we're going to the upside. So instead of this clear channel that we have here, we now have it here, okay? We're now going to the upside. We're creating higher highs, higher lows, which is a bullish market structure, which means I can only take buy positions. So just because overall higher time frame says that we're going down, it doesn't mean that on the smaller time frames you're going to have a relapse where you're going to actually be able to take trades the opposite way. It happens every single day. So again, trend line going up, and we have a pause, a lapse in the moment, right? We start to come down a little bit and create a downtrend, which we are going to officially break out of soon after. Now, you could have done it with the trend line. You could have done it just like this with resistance, whatever you want to do. Maybe resistance is more attractive. Boom. So now you're looking at a beautiful resistance break. We have resistance. Price starts to break out of that resistance. We have a bullish move coming in on the Clarity Algo. We know it's time to buy as price starts to become bullish in this area. We take our buy. We have a tight stop loss, very, very open take profit, and we let the rest just run. It's that simple, guys. That's how I trade. It's literally that simple. So I know right here, price is becoming bullish trend. As soon as price live, not when the candle closes, but as it breaks, I'm going to take that trade. And that's exactly what I did on this candle. And the rest, again, was just history, man. I closed for 100 pips. Some people are still holding for that 150 pips, but it's a beautiful trade. It's a simple trade, and it's what we do every single day. If you guys are enjoying the breakdowns, do me a huge favor. Rate the app 5 stars on the App Store or the Play Store. It does me a lot, and we got new changes coming soon. So keep that in mind. Be ready, and I'll see you guys soon.